What's going on, guys? We're back with another video, and today is just going to be a little review of this toolkit and that RC stand. Now we'll just start off with the toolkit and move that to the side. So I'll try to do this with one hand because I lost my tripod. So, get this thing open. Okay, so here we go. So, you'll come with the tool to actually like turn the screwdrivers and such. It'll come with all kind of different sizes. These are actually the only ones that are labeled. That's the part that kind of sucks, though. See if I can get it to focus. Right there. 7.0, 8.0, 5.5, 4.0, and 5.0. And if it seems like I'm not talking loud enough, it's because I'm kind of sick, so just bear with me. And then it comes with this little cool little tool right there. And then these three, if you own a slash or pretty much Traxxas, these are the main things you're going to be using right here. And it's to change out parts and stuff, but I like it. Just the only bad thing, I've had it for about, I don't know, 6 months. Probably like closer to 8. But anyways, we'll just say like 7. So I've had this for about 7 months. And the top of the smallest one is stripped. So it's like impossible to use. But I mean, you have the top ones here, and then if you have anything bigger at the bottom, these are all different sizes. They're just bigger versions of that. And then this one's fine, and this one's fine. But I don't know, it just seems like they stripped real quick. So, I don't know, but overall, in general, it's a pretty good little tool set for a starter. And this was my first one that I bought on my own for my personal use. And then this one, this is the RC stand. You can pretty much find it anywhere, Amazon, or if you have a hobby shop near you. Pretty much anywhere like that that supplies RC stuff. And then just put that on top. And we'll just grab the Stampede. And you just sit the car in the middle of it like that. And it just sits there like that, and it'll lean up, lean back. Pretty much whatever you need. And then if you need, like say you're working on this shock or something, and you have to come over here, you just twist around like that, and the parts you take out, you stick in that little tray, in this tray right here. But yeah, so this is the review of this RC stand. I like it. I use it all the time, anything I'm doing with the RCs. And then this little toolkit right here. So this is just a short little video, guys. I appreciate you watching this. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button below the video. and I'll have a video popping up here somewhere. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all you need to do, and we'll have a video out the following Monday, I believe. So I'll catch you then. Peace.